S. What a wonderful. Welcome back, BBS fam, and happy Valentine's Day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite soft glam look. I wanted to go for more of a sultry look to complement the color scheme of my dress, as well as to kind of complement what my boyfriend is wearing as well. So I really wanted to stay in the gold and nude family for today's makeup, and hopefully I can recreate the look on Valentine's Day for our date. Now let's get to beading. So I'm going in with my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. When I really want a very flawless base, I really love to go in and use this foundation. Fortunately, I did not show the second foundation that I used on top. However, per my last video, I used my favorite foundation at the moment, Zoeva Luminous Foundation. I take my brow ministry very seriously, okay? So as you can see here, I'm very focused, and I kind of tend to start off by overfilling just a little bit so that I have a lot of room to just clean up mistakes with my concealer. As you can see here, we're using the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Toffee to shape up these brows and give off a really clean look. So I'm just shaping out my brow and making sure that I keep my arch to complement my hairstyle. When I usually have my hair tied up like this, I love to have a very nice arched brow. Next, we're going in with our Laura Mercier translucent powder in the color, I think it's Honey. And I'm just going and I'm pressing that into my eye, which is setting the concealer as well as the foundation, so that apply our eyeshadow. Our eyeshadow has a very flawless base to sit on, and also it helps to just bring out the pigmentation of the colors that we're using. Now I'm going ahead cutting the crease with my LA Girl Concealer in the shade Fawn. And for eyeshadow, I dabbled into two of my favorite Juvia's Boys palettes, the Nubian eyeshadow palette and the Taupe eyeshadow palette. Lastly, I'm going in with my Lash Sensational Mascara. It is my favorite mascara. I really love the pigment that it deposits onto my lashes, and it really just sets the right base for my lashes to sit on. After mascara, I went back in with my Toffee LA Girl Concealer to just lighten up and brighten up my under eyes and to get rid of all the fallout from the shadows. And next, I'm going in with my NYX Epic Ink Liner. Then I'm going in with my favorite Ardell lashes. Next, I'm going in with my killer nude lip combo. I decided to go in with my favorite lip gloss by Victoria's Secret. It is a watermelon lip gloss. It's just a cute little clear gloss, and it goes very well with this nude lip. I contoured off camera, and this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and happy Valentine's Day.